You've probably heard people say creatine helps build muscle, but can it actually burn belly fat too? Let's reveal the truth behind one of the most misunderstood supplements in fitness, creatine. First, let's be clear. Creatine is not a fat burner. It doesn't melt belly fat directly. What it does is help your muscles produce energy faster, letting you lift heavier, train harder, and build more lean muscle mass over time. Now here's the twist. The more muscle you build, the more calories your body burns even at rest. That means while creatine doesn't target belly fat, it helps you create the perfect environment for long-term fat loss. But what about the bloating myth? Some people think creatine makes you look puffy. Not true. Creatine pulls water into your muscles, not under your skin. That temporary fullness actually makes your muscles look stronger and more defined. So, does creatine burn belly fat? Not directly, but it helps you build muscle, boost your metabolism, and train harder, all of which help reduce fat over time. If you pair creatine with smart nutrition and consistent workouts, you'll see real results. Like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe for more science-backed health and fitness truths from Trendy YT.